What is up guys, this is Tito back with another video on the Redmi Note 3, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you the ROM I was using from all this time, and that is HavocOS 15th March 2019 build. And I know this is a pretty old build, but there are no new builds as of now from like April or something. But right now I'm pretty much liking this ROM a lot. So what are the things which I like over here, you may ask? Well, let me show you the settings panel first to show like which build and stuff is this one and what's the security patch and stuff. So as you can see, this is the 15th March 2019 again, version 2.3 of HavocOS official. And if I go into Android version, here you will see that Android 9 or Android Pie is the version which is based on like this ROM, and the security patch level is of March 5th 2019. The stock kernel over here is Eskrima kernel, and I have flashed this ROM with micro G apps, and the customizations over here are insane. And as you guys already know, the customizations in HavocOS are like, there are no competitions as of now, because still in Resurrection Remix there are a lot less customizations when compared to HavocOS. And we have the double tap to wake 2 over here. And what else should I show you? If I go into the sound settings, we have the Mi Audio DAC or the Mi Sound Enhancer. The headphone jack, like the sound output via the headphone jack over here in this ROM is just amazing. And VoLTE calls does work super fine too over here. And in the call UI you get the like call recording and stuff, so you don't need to worry at all regarding VoLTE calls. And even video call works, I guess, over here. And you can even install Google Camera, because there is Camera to API pre-enabled in this ROM. And if you want to install this like Google Camera, I'll link a card over here of the video I made about this Google Camera, and I'll leave the link in the description box below too, so don't worry. Now, only thing that I do not like over here is the Google Pay does not work right away after flashing this ROM. Well, you may ask what's the issue. Well, I would say you can fix it with like very easy method. Just go to the settings panel from here and then go to the apps and notifications. I'll show you some screenshots over here. Just go into this apps and notifications, then from here just search the Google Play services, then go to the Google Play services apps info, then from permission just disable the phone and SMS app permission of the Google Play services. Then you can set up Google Pay or any other banking apps, I guess. So right now Google Pay is working fine. Let me show you. So as you can see from here, my Google Pay is just working flawlessly. I did some payments and it did work. So you don't need to worry at all regarding Google Pay, but it won't work right away out of the box, just saying. And well, regarding the stock launcher over here, this is the launcher. To the left you get the Google Now cards. You can swipe down anywhere on the home screen to get the quick toggles over here. And if you go into the settings, there are a lot of customizations over here, as you can see, as the launcher is present. And if you can go into gestures and like select the double tap to sleep, and you need to like enable the accessibility permission, then after you can get this double tap to sleep. And as you can see, it does work fine. And the fingerprint scanner speed is like this. Yes, it is pretty slow over here, not the fastest, but yeah, it works. And in terms of customizations, we have everything. We have double tap to sleep, and brightness adjustment from the like status bar gesture is working fine too over here. And what else, like the customization panel is insane. I'm saying it again and again because HavocOS has the most amount of customizations. As you can see, we have the double tap to sleep, brightness control, quick pull down, smart pull down, clock and date customization. You can even change the fonts. Network traffic, you can enable it if you want to. Status bar icons, you can enable the headset, Bluetooth, etc. icons from here. VoLTE icon is of course you can see up top, and you can change the LTE icon to 4G icon. And quick settings, you can change the column and row numbers. You can customize the brightness slider and stuff. Tile title, you can disable them. Vibrate on toggle touch, everything is present. And inside interface, you can change the whole look of the UI. You can change it to pixel or AOSP, background color to light, dark, shady, classy, etc. And you can change the theme too. As you can see, this is a theme color, not the accent color. This is the accent color, as you can see. And what else? We have the night mode too. I don't know what it does. And you can change the quick setting themes too. From here you can disable the default colors, and you can change the quick setting header style too. So let me show you. As you can see, the header right now is like blue, so you can change them pretty much. And you can even change the quick setting toggle styles. You can change it to square meadow. Let me show you. By changing it, it takes a bit of time to apply. And you can change the fonts over here. Let me show you. plethora of font options, even like it's so many options that the phone starts to like freaking lag a little bit while you open the font manager for the first time. So as you can see right now, it's smooth kind of, and there are plenty of options for choosing fonts. And as you can see, the quick settings panel did change the styles and looks pretty dope in my opinion. Dhananjay Ghosale uploaded a video, I'll watch it. And over here, font size, display size, switch appearance, you can change the switch appearance to 1+ and stuff. Inside ambient display, yes, there is ambient display, and always on display is there, which is currently not present for the Redmi Note 5 Pro in HavocOS, but yeah, it is present in the Redmi Note 3. And what else? Inside screen, we have the screen stabilization. You can change the these values, and you can make the display a little bit rounded, I guess. Oh my god, it's too much. So I think it's fine. It looks pretty good with the rounded corners. And inside buttons, you can disable the hardware keys and use the gestures over here. Inside power menu, we do have the advanced reboot and stuff. Let me show you. If I tap over here, you can see that we have the hot recovery, bootloader, and system UI rebooting option. Let me just go back. You have the long press power button torch, so this is a pretty cool feature. When the device is locked, you can press and hold the power button to enable the torch. Whoa, oh, it's not enabling. All right, so it did right now, as you can see. So it works fine, no issues whatsoever. And we have this double tap and long press action for back, home, and the recents button. This is pretty cool feature. Home button, when ringing, you can disable it if you want to. And inside navigation bar, we have the normal navigation bar customization, which is the on-screen buttons. We don't need it since the Redmi Note 3 has the the physical capacity buttons. And inside gestures, we have the system gestures, the edge gestures, everything is there, and even 3-finger screenshot gesture is there. Inside lock screen, we have the double tap to sleep and stuff. Fingerprint authentication vibration, and always use fingerprint. The force fingerprint authentication option is there. Face unlock is there, and status bar and stuff option is there for the lock screen. Inside recents, you can change the recent style to quick step, stock, grid, Android Go, and slim. Lot of customizations again. Inside notifications, you can disable the heads up, you can disable the charging LED if you want to, and blink flashlight on call option is there. This is kind of the MIUI feature. And what else? We have the in-call vibration options in the notification section. We can control the animation, the whole UI animation you can control from here. You can even change the quick setting tile animation while toggling. And inside input method, there are not much stuff, but inside MISC, we have the wake up on charge disabling option. This is a pretty cool feature. And you can set the USB configuration to file transfer, so that whenever you connect the phone with the micro USB to the PC, it's gonna toggle the file transfer. It's gonna switch to the file transfer mode automatically. So this is pretty cool, I would say. And let me open some of the apps and show you guys the app open up speeds, the RAM management over here. And as you can see, it does the Android Pie kind of animation. Looks pretty amazing. But after using the devices like Redmi Note 7 Pro and Redmi Note 5 Pro, I would say yes, the Redmi Note 3 does feel personally a little bit sluggish and slower. But still, this is a pretty old device, I would say. We bought it on 2016, I guess, or 2017, I don't remember actually. I keep forgetting stuff, so please forgive me. But yeah, this is a pretty old device, so the RAM management is not very good. And as you can see, the apps force closing from the background, from memory, it's gonna get removed. The RAM management is not great at all. The variant I have over here is the 3GB RAM variant, and I would say the RAM management sucks. So that's how it is. Again, as you can see, the Chrome removed from memory. So this is how you can go to the recents panel, and as you can see, it's smooth, it's not bad at all, I would say. And if you play PUBG, let me open PUBG and show you guys. And of course, we have the Android Pie volume panels over here, as you can see. So the maximum you can play PUBG on balanced and medium settings, or you can go smooth and high settings. The HD option is simply not available over here. So I switched into the training server, and this is how it looks like with the smooth and high settings. Works pretty good. I would say that this is pretty good gaming performance, but I don't see any kind of huge lags at all. But I would say the gaming performance is good, not bad at all. but the device does get quite a bit hot while playing PUBG, I would say. Pretty fine. And here is the Antutu score of this ROM. So after playing PUBG for almost 5 to 10 minutes, it does get a bit hot. Yes, it is summertime in India, but considering that the middle part of the backside of Redmi Note 3 does get quite hot after playing PUBG. And the battery life over here is pretty good. It's decent considering this is a pretty old device. I got around 2 hours and 20 minutes of screen on time, and I still have 51% battery left. And here is the full usage, and I did play PUBG for almost like 6 minutes, and I watched quite a bit of YouTube, WhatsApp, etc. And the battery life is decent. You're gonna get 4 to 4.5 hours of screen on time. Considering this is a 3 years old device, this is not bad at all. So that is pretty much it, guys, regarding this ROM, the HavocOS official 15th March 2019 build based on Android Pie on the Redmi Note 3. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think about this video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos on the Redmi Note 3. I'll definitely try to do it. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel down there if you have not yet. This is Tito from KDN Tech signing off for today, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.